Good morning, students. This is Rupali Memani, Assistant Professor, Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science, CAMP. Now, in today's session of Java, we will be learning inheritance in Java. What are the types of inheritance in Java? We will see what is single inheritance, what is multi-level inheritance, and we will also learn hierarchical inheritance. So, to begin with, what is inheritance in Java? Now, inheritance is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behaviors of a parent object. The idea behind inheritance is that we can create new classes which are built on the already existing classes. And when we inherit from that existing class, we can reuse the methods and fields of that parent class. Inheritance represents the is a relationship which is also known as a parent-child relationship. Now, how do we use inheritance? The keyword extends is used for inheritance. It inherits the properties of a class. Now look at the syntax here. Here I have class super. I have defined the data members and member functions in the class, and then I extend a class sub from super. So I write class sub extends super. So now sub will have all the methods and property of class super. Now proceeding further, look at an example here. Here I have the base class employee and salary is float. I have created or I have derived a class programmer from the class employee. So it will have the basic methods of salary float. It will have the data members of employee, and it will also have its members, that is bonus and int. So I have extended programmer from the class employee. Now what are the different types of inheritance we have in Java? In Java, we have got various types of inheritance. To begin with, we have single inheritance in which only one class derives from the parent class. So here class B is extending from class A. This is single inheritance. The second type we have is multi-level inheritance. So here one class derives another class, therein derives another class. Now look at the example second. Class A is the base class, class B is derived from class A, and class C is derived from class B. The third type of inheritance is hierarchical. In hierarchical, one base class derives two child classes. So here you see class A is the base class and class B and class C have been derived from class A. Now other types of inheritance are, you have got multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, two base classes derive one single child class. So looking at the example, you have class A and class B, which are the base classes, and class C is derived from the base classes. And in hybrid, the last type of inheritance is hybrid. In hybrid, you can have a combination of a single, multi-level or hierarchical. Now looking here, you have class A, which is the base class. I have derived two classes, class B and class C, which are derived from the base class, and then I combine this, or I have a multiple here wherein these two base classes are going to derive one single child class. This is an example of hybrid class. So proceeding further, we will see all the inheritance in detail. So to start with, what is single inheritance? Now in single inheritance, subclasses inherit the features of one superclass. Now in the image below, class A serves as the base class for the derived class B. Now looking at an example, let's see how do we write the syntax. Now here I have an example wherein I have class 1 which has a method void print geek, and it is going to print in geeks. Now I derive a class 2 from the base class 1. So I write class 2 extends 1. Here I have the method void print for, and then I go and call the print for method. So class 2 will have the method print for of its class. It can also call the method print geek from the base class. Now going to the next level, that is your multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, a derived class will be inheriting a base class as well as the derived class. So as we have already seen, base class A, the intermediary class B, and we have derived class C from B. And again we take an example which we have already taken. Here you have class 1 which has a method print geek which is going to print the keyword which is going to print geeks. Then I extend class 2 from class 1, it is going to print for, and I have extending one more class from 2. So class 3 extends to, it is going to print geeks. Now coming to the third type is called as hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, one class serves as a superclass or the base class and other classes are inheriting it from it. So here class A serves as base class for the derived classes B, C and D. Now an example on this, you have class 1 which has the method geek which is going to print geeks. I extend class 2 from class 1 and I print for. Again I extend class 3 which is again going to be extended from 1. So in today's lecture we have seen what is inheritance in Java, what are the types of inheritance. We also saw single inheritance. How do you write a syntax for single inheritance? We saw multi-level inheritance, and an example of multi-level inheritance. We also saw hierarchical inheritance with an example. So with this, for this lecture, I have taken references from all these sites. Now with this, we come to the end of this lecture. See you again in the next lecture. Till then, thank you.